It's a rainy day today, so why don't you guys join me to unbox my Boxycharm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're coming back, welcome back. And I'd love it if you are new. Please do hang around, like and subscribe. I really would enjoy for you to stick around and join the fam. If you'd like to follow me on my other social media, I always have everything listed below. And if you would like to check out my other channel, I also have that down below. It's called Only Tina. It's just an itty bitty little channel where I play around, do a little bit of vlogging, and talk about anything and everything except makeup. So today we are going to be talking about Boxycharm. Let me tell you a little bit about Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that you can get. You get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, and they're nice products, like reputable, good quality, name brand products. Yeah, and usually the boxes are valued at around $100 worth of products, so that's pretty good. Well, now they've got something started that will be starting in November called the Boxyluxe Premium, which is 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. And every month you get to choose an item. And that, like I said, that'll be starting in November. And then they also have Boxyluxe, which is over $275 worth of full-size beauty products in every single box. Now, the Boxyluxe comes every 3 months, so after paying for your regular subscription, on that month, you're gonna pay an extra $28.99. And if you are outside of the US, bear in mind that you do have to pay $3 for shipping, because it's only in the States that they get free shipping. And if you guys would like to get your own subscription or to look into it, I will link everything below. I do have an affiliate code, but I don't make anything from it. Just basically charms that basically helps me get a lipstick or, you know, a face cream eventually when I get enough charms. So if you want to use mine, go ahead. If not, you can go right to the site and do it yourself. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. So for time purposes, I broke the seal, and this is how it comes. Okay, and here's our little introduction. You get one of these cards in the box every month, and on the back it's talking about introducing the bigger Boxycharm, the Boxycharm Premium, so you can read all about that. And then on the inside it tells you about all the products that are in the box. So this month is called After Dark. So let's go for the first product. I'm just going to start at the top and work my way down. So we have the Iconic London. This is a lip plumping gloss. Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a oh my word, give me a sec. If I can make it through reading this, we're gonna be really, really happy. A biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. So since I have no makeup on today, because just because you're doing an unboxing doesn't mean you always have to have makeup on. Let's just, you know, pop a little of this on with no mirror, just the camera. So it's cute. I don't feel anything, but okay. So this actually goes for $26. Then we have the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Oh, that's nice. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Now this retails for $32. So let's have a look at this, because you guys know I'm constantly complaining about moisture. So it comes in a little tub like this, and let's see what we got. It has like let's take just like a little tiny bit. It has like a skincare kind of smell. Oh, that smells actually really pretty. It's very, like a very fresh, wow. Okay, yes, it definitely does have a sheen to it. That's actually really nice, you know, for somebody like me that has very dry skin. And you know what, guys, especially for somebody like me who also is going through my change of life, your skin tends to get very dull. And do you guys see how it kind of gives you a little bit of a sheen? Because there's times when I really don't feel like wearing makeup, and this actually, with a little bit of gloss and some mascara, I could feel really confident going out like this. I really like this. It feels very nice. Happy. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Bubble wrap. Ooh. Oh no, it leaked. Look. Oh no. Okay, hang on, I gotta get a towel. Well, that was such a shame. That is a shame. I didn't lose a lot of the product, and it doesn't look like it leaked into the box, so that's good. But if you can tell, I've lost a little bit of the product, but that's okay. So this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin, enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and senna rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So this retails for $35. I am all about these. I enjoy a mister. And it smells very herbal, like almost like using essential oils in your house. I don't know if you guys if you have any of those diffusers. That's kind of what it is, what it smells like. It's actually very refreshing. I enjoy that. So we'll see how this works for setting makeup. I would like this even just on the daily, you know, during the day when you're feeling a little bit dry. That's nice. Okay, what else do we got in here? Oh. Okay. So then we have a Dose of Color eyeshadow palette. And let's look into this guy. Oh, so this is called Balanced Browns or Baked. See what happens when you're old and you can't read without your glasses. This is Dose of Color Baked Browns. Finally, right there. You see it? It's very pretty. I want to hold it up. try and get it without the mirror so you guys can see the colors. It's quite pretty. This is the quintessential purse eyeshadow for me. So this guy here is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. This goes for $32. I like this a lot, but I also know that I could probably pass this on to a friend of mine because I have a lot of these shades already and she will appreciate this. Okay, and then the last thing we got is the Cella Slanted Tip Tweezers to create your ideal eyebrow look. Remove any unwanted hairs with this Cella Perfect Grip Tweezer. So this goes for $20. So these go for 20 bucks if I didn't say anything. So I have to say, the only thing I would say in this box that I really meh about is the lip plumper, because I put it on at the beginning of the video and it really didn't do anything. You know how a lot of lip plumpers, like you feel the, you feel the intensity, you feel the burn, you feel something? Meh. It's a lip gloss. Essentially, that's what it is. It's pretty. Would I go and pay, what is this? Iconic London. Would I pay $26 for this? Not a chance. Not a chance would I pay $26 for this. Because I have great lip glosses that, like I just did the review of the Lunar Beauty palette, okay? And his lip gloss is $17, okay? And you get more payoff, and to me it's a better product. My opinion only. Okay? You can get a lot of the other lip plumpers that work a lot better. So for me, this, no. The Skin & Co. Radiant Dew Mist, it feels really nice. Like my face feels fabulous, and I have to say, I think on camera, like it's got like a nice glowy look. I would use this, and I like the smell because it's not floral. It's more of a, like I said, like an herbal, more spicy smell, and that appeals to me more. So definitely I'm happy with this. The eyeshadows that I couldn't pronounce because I can't see, the Dose of Color palette. I think it's a great palette. I really do. I don't want to swatch it because I have a lot of neutrals and I have a lot of mattes and I have a lot of browns. So is this a pan that I would pay $32 for? No. I would not pay $32 for 5 shadows. I just wouldn't, okay? But having said that, I appreciate getting it, and I'm gonna pass this off to a friend who I know enjoys wearing neutrals, and she will get a lot of use out of this, so it's win-win. And the Touch and Soul Skin Balm. I can tell you after one application that it feels very nice, and I like that it gave me a little bit of the dewiness. It's a nice skin balm, I have to say. My skin feels very nice, and I think the combination of these two together is going to be nice for me through the winter. So very good. Did I miss anything? Truffle lip gloss, tweezers. No, I didn't. You guys have a fabulous day. I will see you again in the next one. Please remember to like this video and subscribe if you're new and you'd like to hang around. And I will see you again in the next one. I love you like mad. Bye for now.